back into it.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Recently we crossed 25k subscribers, so thank you for all your support. And also we have planned many more interesting videos and other projects, so keep supporting our channel. And also, as a part of this 25k special video, so we'll be showing the complete background things that happen from starting a project to complete editing and uploading. So most of the subscribers think that we have a separate lab or workshop for making video, but that's not true. So this video will give you more clarity on the effort that takes in the background, and also including what are the tools and other collections we have. So watch the complete video till the end. Let's begin. So once we get in, towards the right we have one table. So on this I usually keep the projects or the components which are work in progress. For example, we have this RoboRace bot which we are currently shooting video, and a most requested video which is a head shifter. This is also ongoing. Some hardware work is done, so still we have to work on the electronics. And we have some jumper wires here. And also there are some previous projects which have kept in this box. So most of our video shooting happens on the same table. We take this outside and shoot videos. So this I'll come back later. So here we have few cupboards where we keep our components. So due to less space, we don't keep our components organized. So wherever some space is left, we just keep our components so they are spread out everywhere. So here I have some boxes where I have kept Arduino boards, cables. So these are some collections. Few sensors and other modules. So in this, few videos are already done and you can see the tutorials, but still we have to work a lot to complete all the modules. And also there are other things here. This is a switch box which we made for our soldering work. Electronic screwdriver. And the basic multimeter. Soldering stand. And a lot of things lying out there. So on the other side, we mostly keep the camera accessories. It's a tripod, our old digital camera which we used to shoot videos in the initial days. So it's a Osmo gimbal which I bought from YouTube money. You also have this tripod. So in this box we keep all the RoboRace components and some brushed speed controllers. There are few other components, extra motors and all. I keep it in these boxes. So one last box here where I keep the battery and the charger. So I have two LiPo batteries and this B3 charger, and there's a battery tester. So we'll close this and let's move on to the next one. So few extra wires I keep here and some heat sleeves. There are also some metal wastes kept in these boxes, bolt nuts. So most of the things, even though they are not used at that moment, I just store them somewhere and use it in random projects. And here our most interesting project, which is our DIY force feedback steering wheel and the controller. So pedals, steering, and there's a arduino control box, and there's a handbrake at the corner. So in coming days there will be a lot of things getting added to this list, so stay tuned. So there is one more box here, and these are DIY power bank, and these are very old components which I have collected from years. So I have not thrown anything, so we'll be not knowing when these components will be used for any respective projects. So they are just lying here. So these are few connectors from the cables. Usually in our gameplay videos, you might have seen we mount the steering and pedals on a wooden rig, but due to space issue we have made the rig removable, and currently it is under this bed. So this is the condition of our gaming rig when not in use. And these are the bolt nuts to assemble it back. So after shooting the gameplay video, we just disassemble and keep all these wooden pieces under this bed. Since I was not able to keep the chair under this, I have kept it separately. So under this table, this is how the chair is placed. So only we'll take this out for shooting video and keep it back. And also a few components lying out here, which we are working out in parallel. So apart from this, there are also a few components which we rarely use. So those things we usually keep in this cupboard's top. Also, we have not left the kitchen. There are also few components lying out here. So mainly the drone components. And this was our bike riding simulator, which is currently in very bad condition. So in this cupboard we have our old 900-degree steering wheel, so this was our RoboWars board frame. So this also we are not using anymore, so it's kept here. Along with that, some wooden pieces and our old head shifter. And this is bag where we keep all waste wooden pieces. So for any projects, for the hardware, we'll try if we can use from this. If not possible, we'll try to get it outside for the same. So these are all some of the collections what we have. Next, I'll show you how we start making the video. Since we make most of the content related to electronics and the DIY projects, before we get into the shooting, we have to work from our side on the electronic circuit, hardware and the code and make sure it's working. Because of less time, we work on multiple projects in parallel. After completing the electronics and the software work, for any projects, if we have the hardware, we work here with a waste cardboard. Usually I make drill or cutting work. I'll also show you the tools collection. This is a drilling machine, 350 watts, jigsaw, and both of these videos are already available in my channel. You can visit if you are interested. Other tools I have kept inside this box, like cutting pliers, wire cutter, glue gun, screwdrivers, and plasters. Apart from this, I have few spanners. So this is all the work which goes in background before we get into actual video shooting. So coming to the video shooting part, first we clear up this table. And take it out. And this is where we shoot our videos in the daylight. After completion of this, then comes the video editing. From many years, we used to edit videos on this laptop, which has i5 and 8 GB RAM. But recently, we built our gaming PC, which is this. So from few months, we are editing our video in this one. We have already made a step-by-step tutorial on building this PC. So if you are interested, you can check out the links from the description box. For editing, mainly we use Adobe Premiere Pro software. And sometimes for short videos, we also use KineMaster Android application. Also, the video explanation happens with the editing in parallel. So this is all about the process we follow from starting to end of uploading the video. I hope this video was interesting and you enjoyed it. As per your request, the next video will be on the head shifter tutorial, for which we have already started editing. Stay tuned, subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching. We'll be back in the next video.